got the Greenbuild house here in Bourne at the head office. It's basically started its life as a Code 4 sustainability house a few years ago, as we're showing the marketplace where it had to get to for social housing. We decided to do a bit of a retrofit on it. So with Eco and Greenbuild coming live as of January, back end of last year, we did a number of different things to it. Principally, so we've installed 27 of the 45 Greenbuild measures in the house. Obviously, the house wouldn't actually technically have all those if it was a real premises. But we've used it more as an educational tool, so that when we have clients, both private, social, local authorities, etc. in here, we can educate them. So we can, first of all, I obviously give a talk, explain how Eco and Greenbuild work and how it's going to benefit them and their wider community. But more so, we find it as a visual tool so that they understand what's needed. We've actually got these little brochures for people to walk around in, and obviously it's got pictures of the house on it. We've opened it up, it's got the basic key facts for Greenbuild and Eco, and then we've got a couple of pictures of the technologies we installed. But more importantly, what we found is we've got a map on the back with obviously an overview of the house, a floor plan, and a list of all the 45 qualified measures, and then highlighted the ones we've got installed and then where they are located in the house. Because obviously through Larkfleet Homes we have a good relationship with a lot of local authorities and a lot of housing providers, because we build a lot of social housing for them as well, within the Homes division. But so we've got that relationship there, and obviously with the planners, etc. for our various other projects, energy projects. So we bring them in, we bring their energy professionals in, and explain what's happened to them. We bring a lot of their private sector housing as well. People look at the fuel poor and how we can improve their circumstances. So we have those in. We also have a lot of private landlords actually now, who are trying to get to grips with what Greenbuild could mean to them and how it could benefit them. So we have that, and we've also now got quite a lot of colleges and construction skill sets coming to learn about the new technologies, and where rather than maybe just looking at doing plumbing on a course, for example, maybe teaching their trainees or other things. They look at MCS, for example, for air source or solar, and all those technologies really, so they can see what their end goal is and what the opportunities out there is for them, because it's an evolving market and that's where things are going to be, so they need to be geared up and ready and upskilled, ready to do that sort of thing. Install is very, very key, and that's the problem. I think we have Greenbuild assessors who are former DAs, and they just want to do assessments and want to pass it on to someone else. The installer just wants to go do a job, as most tradespeople do. So it's kind of difficult, because a plumber, to be fair, use that scenario again, just wants to go fit a boiler, doesn't really want to get involved in anything else. A roofer or electrician just wants to go fit PV. So you need organisations like ours who could sit behind it all, put that process in place and manage it accordingly with the various different contractors, and that is what we are doing on schemes at the moment, and that's the only way of getting the true result. It's all down to personal choice. Like the whole process is, ideally we should do as much as we can do, but it's personal choice. You may not want some of those technologies in there, you may not want some of those installations in there, you choose that. But the offer's there for you to have the best of you possibly can, and financially we explain it that it's better for you to do it, and health-wise as well. But obviously some people don't like certain stuff just because they like it. It's personal choice. No one likes the same thing, so we have to understand that. Some people may not want an air source heat pump, they may want a ground source heat pump. They realise it costs a lot more money and everything else, and a lot more disruption, but maybe they feel that's what they want because they've convinced themselves that's what they want. Well, that's fine. That's what we give them the options of what's the best possible solutions, and it's their choice. I think that has to remain important, because we're talking about people's homes, and that's important. It is their home, so they need to choose what they're comfortable with.